Hello guys, for another video. In this video I will talk about a different topic. In the last month I focused on the cryptocurrency and how this business it's work and how I can invest on it. So from today in this channel I will share my experience, and also I will share every step I will do and every coin I will buy and sell. So if you want to follow my journey, just subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bells. Today's video I will talk about the Safemoon, because recently we see a lot of coins start with jokes and become lately popular and rise in value. The Safemoon is one from these coins, like the Dogecoin, and we all know how the indirect controller of the Dogecoin. So the Safemoon start like the Dogecoin, and if we see the community of the Safemoon, we see that it is rise from 200,000 person to more than 800,000 in just 3 months. Of course, not all these people are investors in this coin, but this show the size of people interested of this coin. And if we compare it to the Dogecoin have 1.6 million people, so now the Safemoon have a big community, and that increase the value of the currency. Of course, the big question here is, can the Safemoon get the $1 this year? I don't think so, and it's impossible to happen. So let's open the coin market cap. Since the Safemoon are related to the Dogecoin, because the both coins depend of community. Dogecoin have a limit of 43 billion in balance in the 4th place. Now let's open the website of the Safemoon. Like you see, the owners of the Safemoon have 2 millions and the supplies is 482 trillion. And if we back to the coin market cap, we see it's almost the same, because the large amounts of this currency are burned. So if we see the huge number here, focus on it. And of course, if you want to invest on this coin, you must follow this website. Now I will refresh this page. Like you see, there is a big burn in operations for this currency. This burn came from, for example, you have a quantity of the Safemoon. From this quantity you have 10% fees, 5% go to your e-wallet and burn it, and you will never use, and the other 5% go to the owners. So the greater sales of the currency, the greater burning of the currency too. And this is why 30% of this currency was burned before, because previously spread that this currency is fraud, and because of that people gave up of this coin, which lead to burning 30% of this coin. Can you imagine? 30% is a huge number, guys. Also, this kind of burning might happen by a huge event or drop in the market. Let's compare the Safemoon with the Dogecoin and see what if the Safemoon up to the Dogecoin level. Let's use the balance of Dogecoin on the Safemoon. So let's do some calculations. Balance of Dogecoin is 43 billion. Let's divide it to the total supply of the Safemoon. This huge number here, we have 0.4043. So if the Safemoon level up to Dogecoin balance, and you invest just $1,000 and you hit 1,000 to the price of the Safemoon at this moment, you will have 217 million units. And if we hit this number to the value can Safemoon reach, you will have 9,347, and that can bring you a good profit. And of course, the more you invest, the more you will earn. I not tell you guys to invest on this coin, I just explain some details of this coin, and you can compare and analyze the market by yourself. And of course, don't invest all your money. In the end, it is the cryptocurrency business, nothing is guaranteed here, so have your time after you invest any money you have. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you want more videos like this, be sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bells, and see you in the next video.